Now that we've created our form, it is time to add it to our website. And also, of course, don't worry, you can always go back and change your form too. So it's certainly not set in stone. Okay, yeah, we have our form here, and this is actually a very handy display. It shows us how many times our form has been viewed and all that good stuff. We can preview our form. There it is. Pretty simple. And we can get the code, get HTML. Now you'll see that they're going to actually give us two options here, the JavaScript and also the raw HTML. Now this is going to be really important. If you're a beginner, absolutely stick with this because this is very easy. You can see it's not even a lot of code. I'm just going to go ahead and right click and copy, and then I'm going to go to my web editing program and open up the page where I want the code to appear and stick it in, and that's where it'll show up. Now if I wanted to get a bit more technical, I can click on the raw HTML version. Now you can see that this is quite a bit of code, but the advantage here is that we can actually take this code and edit it however we see fit to do some pretty cool things. So again, if you're a beginner, stick with this. It's a lot easier, and you literally just put this wherever it belongs in your site. If you want to see an example of what code looks like in a sample web page, I've included that in the resources section of this video tutorial, and also in the book. You can see it as well. So you can check that out. But just again, to show you for the more advanced people, let's say I were to take this code and wanted to do some simple editing to it. Again, if this is making your head spin, please ignore this stuff. It's not necessary, but it's pretty cool if you want to play around. I've placed the code into Notepad, a simple text editor. And we can look at these individual IDs here. For one, when they complete the form, we could go ahead and send them to a specific page. We can edit that there. We can also edit the size of the form. Let me show you what I mean by that. This line here, how long can it be? We can edit how long it actually is. Look, right now it's 20, but of course we could make it 100. We could have it be a couple rows deep, all different kinds of things. So again, you see there are different values here that you can change, but not for beginners. Okay, so that's basically how you get it on. The real cool thing about it is you can dress it up however you like. Let me show you an example again of a form on a page. This is the page that I give to you. Of course, it's more generic than this, but essentially this is the layout. You can see that it has this real nice cut around the border, and I show you how to do that too in the sample form that I give you. But this is the actual form right here, ladies and gentlemen. All this stuff, I typed in, you can make it look fancier, cleaner, whatever you want. But this is the actual form right here, and you can see that in the example that I provided. And of course, you can have whatever else you want, to be in there. These are testimonials that I pulled directly from the affiliate offer that I'm promoting. So pretty cool stuff. Essentially, that's how it works.